This is just a friendly reminder from your TikTok pharmacist that most of the items in the cough and cold aisle contain the same ingredients. I thought I'd take a picture just to show you how insane it is that majority of these all are the same. A lot of them just have acetaminophen, which is in Tylenol, phenylephrine, which is for congestion, which does not work, and then they throw something in for a cough. So it could be guaifenesin for a mucousy cough or dextromethorphan for a dry cough. And then if the company just doesn't like you, they're going to put both guaifenesin and dextromethorphan in it as well, because they're pretty much just going to contradict each other and not work. So at the end of the day, if you're adamant that you have to take one of these, just get whichever one is the cheapest.